People are getting less than half the sun protection they expect from suntan lotions, according to research.But. The problem isn't the lotion, it's our slapdash application of it, King's College London scientists say. In theory, using sun protection factor SPF 15 sunscreen should be enough to stop sun damage.But. In reality, people need SPF 30 or 50 to be safe, say the study authors, who carried out experiments with volunteers in their lab. It comes as temperatures are set to reach 33 C in London on Thursday afternoon. Factor 50 lotion applied in the typical way would, at best, provide 40% of the expected protection, said Prof Anthony Young, whose team measured how much protection people got from wearing different amounts of suntan lotions with varying SPF strengths. Sunscreen needs to be applied thickly enough, which many of us fail to do. SPF ratings are based on the assumption that a 2 mg blob will cover 1 sq centimeters of skin. That means you should apply at least 6 full teaspoons, 36 grams, to cover the body of an average adult. More than half a teaspoon to more than 1 teaspoon to areas such as the sides of the neck, temples, and ears are commonly missed, so take extra care and apply liberally. It is also easy to forget to reapply sunscreen as often as necessary. Some lotions say they are water resistant, meaning they retain some sun protection properties after immersion. However, up to 85% of a product can be removed by towel drying, so you should reapply after swimming, sweating, or any other vigorous or abrasive activity. Another important factor is the reflection of the sun's rays, which can greatly increase the power of the radiation. Snow by up to 85% increase, sand by up to 17% and water by up to 5%. People with fair skin that burns easily, many moles or freckles, red or fair hair and light-colored eyes are most at risk of sun damage. Sunscreens should not be used to stay outside longer or just to avoid more reliable protective measures such as clothing and shade. Goad, of the British Association of Dermatologists, said, "This research demonstrates why it's so important to choose an SPF of 30 or more." It also shows why we shouldn't rely on sunscreen alone for sun protection, but we should also use clothing and shade. The heatwave is set to continue across many parts of the UK this week. Public Health England advises people try to keep cool and take shelter. To beat the heat, try to keep out of the sun from 11 o'clock to 1500 hours, walk in the shade if you can, apply sunscreen and wear a hat if you have to go out in the heat, it says.